Have you been writing a story and you're a little bit nervous that the story itself isn't really going to capture the readers? Like you're feeling it's a bit flat and lifeless. Well, I have an exercise for you to practice your conflict and resolve skills. All right, let's go to exercise 2 in my picture book writing exercises. This book is designed to help us get better at our writing craft. So I have conflict prompts. These are created to get our brains going as fast as we can to resolve conflicts. And I recommend setting the timer for 10 minutes and just doing all the conflicts that I have in the exercise book. But today, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to give myself 45 seconds to do each prompt, and I'm doing this in real time, okay? This is me doing this for and with you to show you how to do the exercises, but also to just inspire you. I'm gonna start my timer here, and the very first prompt is, a little girl is too scared to perform at the school talent show. Okay, so my little brain starts working and I think of all the things that she's scared of, what's going on, how can I resolve this in a way that kids find funny, imaginative, and interesting. And I think maybe she's scared to be seen. She's shy to be on the stage at the school talent show. And so maybe I will give her a puppet. And the problem and conflict can resolve because she has a puppet. Okay, there we go. I didn't quite get it done in 45 seconds, but I now will move on to my second conflict and resolve exercise. But I want to tell you that even though I'm showing you the way I resolved these particular exercises, I want you to use your own imagination, because there's probably, a dozen ways that this little girl who was scared to perform at the talent show could have resolved the situation. I picked a puppet. But you need to dig in and imagine a really great resolve for your own story. So second conflict is, a bear spills honey on their best friend's drawing. I am going to start my timer. I think it'd be really great to make the drawing better. At first, the bear and his best friend thinks that that he ruined the drawing, but maybe it becomes better somehow. So honey is sticky and we want to make this drawing better. So let's have the resolve of the conflict be glitter. And the bear is really sad at first that he ruined his best friend's drawing, but then he pulls out glitter and he makes the drawing even better. I love that resolve because I think there could be a covert moral lesson in there of just how mistakes can be given a second chance. So I really like that idea. Okay, conflict number 3, a group of forest animals must cross the river but can't find a bridge. Guess what? I'm not going to do this one as the demo. Now it's your turn. Now, if you find in the links below this exercise book that I have available, you can do this conflict and resolve exercise, and I've got lots more. There's a few pages of them here in the book. So there you have it. That's how I keep my conflict and resolve skills sharp, is by doing the exercises that I've developed in this book that I highly recommend to you. You'll find the links below. This entire book of exercises is meant to develop your writing skills, okay? Like develop and sharpen them, to keep them sharp. Even if you're not writing a story right now, if you have this on hand and you can practice, it just keeps you on your toes. And this book complements the whole playlist that I have for free here on YouTube called Writing Picture Books, which is a class that you can take and learn step-by-step how to write picture books. As well, you'll find I have lots of resources for picture book creators, as well as a template story builder that'll help you extract the story out of you through a fill-in-the-blank template that gets it all out into that first messy draft. So look up my resources. I hope you enjoyed sharpening your conflict and resolve skills with me today. See you around the channel. Till next time, picture book writers, happy writing. I cannot do this without my golden pen.